Welcome back, folks. Greg Silverman here, Chief Investment Officer, Chief Financial Officer. If you have typically a private equity fund or private equity owned company, I'd love to speak to you. We can help you in all sorts of ways, raise the valuations of your companies through operational ways or through fund mechanisms. So give me a holler. Let's speak. Okay, another article that did well last week. It's kind of unfortunate. I really like Anthony. I've interviewed him many years ago, and I think he's actually quite a smart chap. So I was a little unfortunate to see this, but anyway, that is the name of capitalism, right? Skybridge halts withdrawals on funds exposed to private stocks crypto. Here's the man. One of Anthony Scaramucci's Skybridge capital funds has suspended redemptions. When is this? July 19th. Okay, it's about a month ago, not too long ago. They suspended redemptions because private company stock has become more illiquid. Wow, even more liquid. Sources told Bloomberg that the Legion Strategies Fund now has around 20% of its portfolio in private stocks, including crypto exchange, FTX, and another 10% in cryptocurrencies. Yeah, crypto. All right, yeah, FTX. 20%. However, if those private stocks are all within Skybridge's portfolio, then much of it will be related to digital assets. Skybridge acts as a fund of funds and has several cryptocurrency funds, including for Bitcoin and Ethereum, which are part of the Legion Strategies crypto exposures. Skybridge website lists a dozen private stock investments, but it's unclear whether all of these are included in the Legion Strategies fund. Of the 12 private companies, 10 are crypto related. The exceptions are Plaid and Klarna, which recently did a funding and evaluation of $6.5 billion compared to a previous round at $45.6 billion. Okay, that's a haircut. Apart from investments in FTX and FTX US Bitcoin mining firm Genesis Digital Assets is part of the portfolio, as is Bitcoin asset manager NYDIG and the Kraken exchange. Regulators have pointed to the minimal mainstream fallout from the crypto crash, but this could be a limited one. Have pointed to the minimal mainstream. It also remains to be seen what happens with respect to Equities First, the asset-backed lender, which previously was mainly involved in equities, but now has considerable crypto exposure. While the company says it has returned $343 million to bankrupt crypto lender Celsius, it still owes Celsius $439 million. Celsius originally borrowed money from Equities First, which was unable to return the crypto collateral in mid-21. Additionally, Equities First is owed $162 million from bankrupt hedge fund Three Arrows Capital with just $91 million in collateral. Daisy chain. Meanwhile, FTX partnered with Skybridge's SALT event to launch the Crypto Bahamas Conference in April 22. The amount invested in Legion Strategies was $228 million, and there are just 22 accredited investors. The last updated asset valuation figure was $421 million in April 21. So that was, I guess, before the sell-off. Oh, well, he'll come back. He's the comeback man. Very smart guy. I like Anthony a lot, so I wish him all the best. I hope you enjoyed that one, guys. Take a look at some of our services down below. Take a look at some of our mini niche investment themes. We have LinkedIn groups, which are focused on mini niches like battery metals, cannabis, uranium, or nuclear. We got one on, we had one that was, we first started as sports memorabilia, and we subsequently kind of fell into the NFT space with that, and that was quite interesting and surprising. So take a look at that one. I think it's still called sports memorabilia, but it's basically been hijacked by the NFT crowd, or if not NFTs, and certainly we've moved it more towards collectible items. So take a look at that one. All right, thanks for joining. Greg Silverman, out for now.